by the police and Coast Guard, or what is it? Coming up nose end into Soldier Key here. It's gonna video you showering down there.
Why would you do that? That's weird.
All done. This is what we do.
For his nasty video.
Yeah.
Yeah, nasty video.
Saving it.
Did nasty videos.
Oh yeah. It's another gorgeous day here in the Bahamas. Had a good sleep last night. Followed with a delicious breakfast just now. Some French toast and fruit. Some bacon and all the good stuff. Some juice. It's just under the water there. Here's the turtle, you guys. Popping his head up. That's the same one. Turn around. Here he comes up again.
What'd you do that for, you dumb shark?
No, we caught the shark that was just circling us down the water.
We're the ones who put its food out there with a hook in it.
So what kind of shark is that, Ben? Is that a reef shark? Nurse shark? Oh, good.
Oh, spit the hook out.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, smart little thing.
There you go. There you got what he wanted. You got the fish.
Pictures, right?
Yep.
Okay,
Spit
good.
the hook out.
That's the map.
There's two nurse sharks down here. There's two nurse sharks now, but they brought in like a school of mahi with them.
Mahi?
Yeah, a whole big school of them. Are they still out here somewhere?
That went that way.
They went that way. Michael's got a fish on. Let's leave the Soldier Key here. That's a rainbow trout, huh?
I don't think so.
It's an ocean trout.
Awesome. Woohoo! That's awesome.
What is that?
That's a spiny bugger.
This is Oahu.
Picture.
What's up? Those pigs.
It's like a hockey game.
Step on it.
Make sure he doesn't come off. I'll grab this hook.
You want to open the cooler for him?
Boom!
What happened? Did you break it? Michael.
Well, we've been having a lot of fun catching some fish on our way from Soldier Key back here to Great Harbor. I caught a mutton snapper, and Mike caught a kingfish, and we had a couple other ones get away. Oh, and we got a barracuda. Anyway, that's where we came from, way out over that way. Just came ashore here on the little beach here at the Great Harbor Island, and there's our boat out there. Madness. See it? Right out there.
Paddleboarded over.
Yeah, we just paddleboarded over right here on this nice little paddleboard. We got our running shoes on.
Haven't worn shoes in a week.
Haven't worn socks or shoes in a week. It feels kind of restrictive. Yeah, but we're gonna go for a run up and down this beach here
Chop my ponytail.
and check it out, because we haven't been for a real run in a week either. So this will feel good to get out and move. We've been swimming a lot and snorkeling and diving a bit, but we're gonna go for a run here. So let's get it on. You ready?
Get it.
All right, running in the sand is a workout. Sinking in a little here. All right, getting hot out here. We're only running like 15-minute miles because the heat and then the slippery sinking sand. Oh, where'd that breeze go? Man, without the breeze, it is stagnant humidity. Looking good. far'd you make it?
3.
Nice. Now we got all the way back to there where the ship is. You can't quite
About
see
a
it.
mile and a half.
There it is between the
Ish.
fish. Who's got a fish? Aaron's getting a fish?
I think it's half now.
Uh-oh. There he is. Yeah, we're just coming up on the Great Stirrup Key over here, right behind us. That is the private island that the cruise ship owns. You've got the water park on there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll get a close up here in a second. Yeah, there's a little zip line park over there. And then on this side over here is the water park, the big tower and the slides thing. Just finished a nice snorkel trip around that little island. It's a little rock reef thing. Saw lots of cool fish, took a bunch of pictures that didn't turn out so great. Here's out here having a little shower and shave. Nice. So now we're just getting cleaned up, getting ready for some dinner here at a beautiful sunset. Getting pulled over by the police and Coast Guard, or what is this?
I don't know, but it's kind of fun.
Have a good day, is what I heard. Well, another beautiful morning here. Just coming out of the Bahamas back into Fort Lauderdale. Really just coming into Fort Lauderdale here. Had a rockin' and rollin' night last night. A little visit from the U.S. Customs this morning. They pulled up alongside us. Luckily they didn't want to board, but not that they have anything, but it's always just nerve-wracking, I guess. I'm videoing you, videoing me. Here we are on A1A Boulevard, Oceanside. Just walking up and down, checking out the sights, the beach, and the shops. Getting pretty hot. Car's getting overheated. We've got a celebrity cruise ship way out there.